With that, we shall proceed to vote. The chair is now ready to hear the motion on the sufficiency in substance of the third impeachment complaint, that is Father Saballa et al. Impeachment complaint endorsed by the Honorable Congresswoman De Lima.
Madam Chair.
The Honorable Asidre is recognized.
Madam Chair, I move that we vote on the sufficiency of substance on the Saballa et al. Complaint.
May we be given the opportunity to make it more accurate. We
Madam-
need to declare either sufficiency or insufficiency in substance of Saballa et al. Complaint.
Madam
The
Chair,
Honorable Asidre.
Madam Chair, I move that we declare sufficient in substance the Saballa et al. Impeachment complaint.
There is a motion to declare the sufficiency in substance of Saballa et al. Impeachment complaint. The same has been seconded by the Honorable Tino and the Honorable Zamora. Do I hear an objection? No one is objecting?
Objection, Madam.
An objection has been registered by the Honorable Suntay, which means we will proceed to vote. Those who are in favor of the motion, please raise your right hand. Can you higher your hands just to make sure that the Secretariat will come up with an accurate counting? Secretariat, are you okay? Kong Dumogan is here and raising his hand as well. Oh, you may now put down your hands. Those who are not in favor of the motion, those who are not in favor of the motion, please raise your right hand. It's okay. Those who abstain, please raise your right hand. All right, so that concludes the voting. Secretariat, the result, please. For the record, the Honorable Renego just came and she's registering as well her vote for the affirmative. That is in favor of the motion. The vote of Arnan Panaligan is counted already per the Secretariat. With 54 votes in the affirmative, 1 in the negative, and 0 abstention, the chair declares the sufficiency in substance of Saballa et al. Impeachment complaint. So ruled. Now we proceed to the fourth impeachment complaint, the Cabrera impeachment complaint endorsed by the Honorable Abante and the Honorable Ortega. The chair is ready to hear the necessary motion.
Madam Chair.
The Honorable Rodriguez.
Before the vote, once again, I would like to ask. There are 5 grounds on the fourth complaint. This representation believes in the dismissal, no substance in 3, but 2 has substance. How do I vote?
Honorable Rodriguez, it is clear in the rules that we are voting on the entire impeachment complaint. The sufficiency in substance has to be determined on the basis of its entirety and not on the basis of the individual grounds. In other words, it's either you vote in favor of the sufficiency or not in favor of the sufficiency.
Madam Chair, I always agree with the chair.
Thank you. The chair is ready to hear the necessary motion.
Madam Chair,
The Honorable Zamora.
I move to declare the impeachment complaint filed by Attorney Nathaniel Cabrera as sufficient in substance.
There is a motion to declare the impeachment complaint of Cabrera sufficient in substance. Do I hear a second? The same has been seconded. Is there any objection?
Madam Chair, once again, objection.
The same has been objected to. We shall proceed to divide the House. Those who are in favor of the motion, please raise your right hand. Secretariat, are you okay? You may put down your hands. Those who are not in favor of the motion, please raise your right hand. You may put down your hand. Those who abstain, please raise your right hand. That concludes our voting on the fourth impeachment complaint. Secretariat, result, please. With 54 votes in the affirmative, and 1 vote in the negative, with 0 abstention, the chair declares the Cabrera impeachment complaint sufficient in substance. So ruled.
Madam Chair,
The Honorable Zamora.
in view of the finding of the sufficiency and substance of the 2 impeachment complaints, I move to issue notice to the Vice President or the respondent of the impeachment complaints to file her answer to the impeachment complaints within a non-extendable period of 10 calendar days from receipt of this notice. Thank you, Madam Chair.
There is a motion for the issuance of notice to Vice President Sara Duterte for the filing of her answer to the 2 impeachment complaints within the non-extendable period of 10 days. Do I hear a second? The same has been seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is granted. The committee is directed to issue the necessary notice to the respondent. If there are no other matters to be discussed in this committee hearing or to be manifested by the members, the chair is ready as well to hear the necessary motion.
Move to adjourn, ma'am.
Move to adjourn.
Our today's committee meeting is hereby adjourned.